STM32 microcontrollers, power drones, industrial robots, and thousands of embedded products around the world. So knowing how to program them is a core skill for any embedded engineer. And this course will teach you everything so you can start working on your personal and professional projects. So welcome to my completely rebuilt and updated version of my STM32 programming course for beginners. In this course, we will start from basics and gradually build embedded applications while learning STM32 CubeMix and bare metal programming. So we will start from GPIO, external interrupts, and timers. Then we switch to signal generation using PWM and the timer update interrupts. And then we tackle communication interfaces, including UART, I2C. So after covering all these topics, you can easily start working on quite advanced projects. In this course, I will be using Nuclear F401RE microcontroller board, one of the widely used microcontroller boards, but you're welcome to use any other STM32 microcontroller at your disposal, because 99% of things that I would explain is applicable to any STM32 microcontroller board. But if you have any difficulties, questions, feedback, problems, you're welcome to leave them in the comments below. So there are several ways to program STM32 microcontrollers. First is to use STM32 CubeMix. It's a graphical tool that allows you to configure peripherals in a few clicks. It's very convenient. Then we can use HAL, Hardware Abstraction Layer. It's an API that provides you with user-friendly functions, so you don't need to worry about low-level programming. You don't need to worry about how the microcontroller is actually working. But the convenience that comes with these tools have price. You don't really understand what is happening underneath. So if you want to optimize the code, or if you want to fix some bugs, it will be extremely hard. That's why in this course, we will also cover bare metal programming, where we directly talk to the microcontroller registers to configure the peripherals. So we will cover all these three methods, three ways of programming STM32 microcontrollers. So next thing, let's talk about the tools we use. So we have STM32 CubeIDE and CubeMix. And also we can program nowadays in VS Code. I will also show how to program the microcontroller in VS Code. So first, let's install these tools. So first, we just type STM32 CubeIDE install in your favorite search engine, and the first link should be from st.com. So if we scroll down, we will have a link to download the software, and of course you have to choose the operating system you're using. Then, for example, if I press download, we have this license agreement. Of course we accept it, and unfortunately we have to log in if you have an account. If you don't have, you can create your own account within a minute, or nowadays you can also download as a guest. So it's very straightforward. Hope you can manage that. Once you create an account, for example, let me log in. I already have the, so once I log in, it will automatically start the download process. So if you have any problems, you can log in, you can go back to this page, and it will be exactly the same way. So let me cancel because I already installed the tool. So after the download, you just unzip the folder, then you execute the installation file, Then you keep pressing next and next, and at some point the installation will be over. And then we need STM32 CubeMix. It's the second tool we have to use. So in exactly the same way, we just visit the official website, then you have to download just over here. And we need a CubeMix, not CubeMix 2. So you have to download this tool. So hope everything is clear. We are ready to jump to the next section. So we will start from GPU programming, and I'm pretty sure you're going to learn a lot of things. So see you there.